Unlock the doors to financial success through real estate and how to make money from real estate. In this guide, we'll navigate the world of property investments, exploring strategies that can turn bricks and mortar into a lucrative income source. From rental properties to real estate flipping, join us as we uncover the secrets to building wealth in the dynamic real estate market. Get ready to harness the power of property and embark on a journey towards financial prosperity through one of the most proven and rewarding avenues. Today, we will talk about how to make money from real estate. Adding real estate to your investment portfolio might help you diversify your portfolio of investments. We will discuss how to generate money in real estate through a variety of various methods in this article. Are you looking forward to it? When it comes to real estate, there are a variety of options for starting to build your wealth. Take the first step toward being a successful real estate investor and discover how you too can achieve your goals. 1. Making money in real estate by renting out property. This is the classic way of making money in real estate and getting rich. In this type of investment, you make money by leveraging long-term buy and hold residential rentals. People will always require a place to live. Lords and nobles fought over titles that let them collect rent from those living, farming, and otherwise working the land. A few entrepreneurial types drained swamps and built businesses so that they could make more from the land than they would if they merely leased it out to farmers and ranchers. 2. Interest-based income through investing in mortgage notes. Mortgage notes can be a good real estate investment for people seeking passive income. When you buy a mortgage note, you receive monthly payments that include both interest and principal. It is a steady stream of income like you'd receive from a rental property, but there is no need to maintain the property like a landlord. It is far easier to invest in real estate located around the country because you don't have to deal with local rules regarding real estate licensing or taxes. 3. Getting rich by flipping real estate. This is another proven way to make quick money in real estate to get rich. Fix and flip is a specific form of real estate investing. The investor buys a home, pays for repairs and renovations, and then sells the property for a profit. This type of real estate investing is the subject of numerous reality shows. The reality is that this form of real estate investing is high risk. If you underestimated rehabilitation costs, you could lose money. 4. Making money through real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without having to buy and manage a property. REITs may be invested in mortgages, properties, or a mix of both. You can diversify your holdings in real estate by buying REITs invested in particular market niches. Because REITs are publicly listed, you can buy and sell shares on the open market, making your money more liquid and allowing you to diversify your investments. One of the benefits of REITs is their non-correlation with other types of equities. 5. Making money through real estate ETFs and mutual funds. You can buy exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds that are broadly diversified or targeted to a particular sector. And you can buy ETFs and mutual funds that are themselves invested in real estate. For example, it is possible to buy ETFs that invest in real estate stocks such as publicly traded home builders. Some ETFs invest in REITs as well. There are mutual funds that invest in real estate developers and property management firms. 6. Using private lending to making money in real estate. Hard money lenders loan money to those utilizing the fix and flip strategy. They may lend money to those buying a property to renovate and then rent out. The property investor, in this case, would secure a traditional mortgage after they have an attractive property bank that will now consider as collateral. Acting as a bank to property buyers yields a higher rate of return than you'd see if you left money sitting in the bank. You have to do your due diligence, since mistakes could mean you don't have a valid line against the property. 7. Increase in wealth through real estate appreciation. When the value of a property increases, we call this appreciation. While appreciation is not always guaranteed, but historically real estate prices have appreciated over the long term. So again, appreciation alone is not likely going to make you a millionaire, but real estate has always increased in the US, averaging 3% per year over the past century. For example, If you purchased a property for $250,000 2 years ago, and today that property is worth $350,000, the appreciation made you $100,000 richer, or in other words, your assets grew by $100,000. 8. Opting for 1031 exchange in real estate. As a real estate investor, you can use this tax code called 1031 exchange to sell an investment real estate and use the profit to buy a new one that is of equal or greater value. In this way, you can defer paying taxes until that next property is sold, or you can opt for another 1031 exchange. When you choose to sell your property, you are required to pay taxes for your capital gains. With the help of Section 1031 of the Internal Revenue Code, you are permitted to postpone paying taxes when you reinvest those gains in another property. IRS considers that you are exchanging your old property for another real estate property. 9. Loan paydown. When you purchase a rental property with a mortgage, each month you make a payment to the lender. That payment includes two parts: principal and interest. Interest is the profit for the lender, but the principal is the money you are paying down the loan with. Over time, your tenant is essentially paying the loan down for you, helping you build wealth automatically. 10. Refinancing your mortgage for better cash flow. You can also opt for refinancing your mortgage. The number one benefit of refinancing your mortgage is to obtain a loan at a lower rate of interest and also to decrease the monthly mortgage payment amount. One of the benefits of refinancing your mortgage is also that refinancing provides the borrower with fresh money at lower interest rates, due to which the homeowner can lower his/her monthly payment amount. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.